Hi, I'm E'lla Aimee of Cash is Trash, and let's get back into the stock market. In this video, you'll receive Coach's stock picks and an ETF, examples of why some don't invest in the stock market, and an update on the new math account. We'd also like to ask you guys to help us out by smashing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and also turning on notifications. Okay guys, so here's a great stock we think you guys should start investing in. It's called Kirkland's Incorporated, with the ticker symbol of KIRK. Kirkland's board authorizes a $20 million buyback plan of outstanding common stock. Shares of the home decor retailer were up 4.4% to $16.25 in the pre-market trading. This company mentioned that third quarter net sales increased to $146.6 million, which is actually up from $144.9 million a year ago. KIRK continues to travel upward in the bullish position, so let's sit back and let this overall trend do what it has been doing in the last few months. KIRK is currently priced at $17.75. So what we've done in this next session was simply ask individuals, why don't we invest in the stock market? And when we asked the question, individuals said because they don't want to get out of their comfort zone. And I think that's where a lot of us struggle at. We don't want to get out of our comfort zone. We're used to going to work every day. We're used to making our same income every single week, couple weeks, whenever you get paid. You're used to that money. And honestly, you're limited. You're limiting yourself. You're limiting your family. You have so much more that you can possibly make just by trying, just giving it a try. And some will say, don't invest in the stock market because you're going to become broke. And all this time, you haven't invested in the stock market at all. What will happen if you do invest? It's funny because I hear people sitting around talking about the stock market all the time, and most of it is negative. And the reason why it's negative is because we don't understand it. We don't know that, yes, the stock market can go down. Yes, you can pick different stocks that is not great stocks for the week or for the month or however long. Yes, that does happen. But you have to understand that there are ways to get out of those situations before your expiration date. Okay, so I asked another individual, why don't you invest in the stock market? And he said because his parents didn't teach him. So I'm like, why didn't your parents teach you? He said, because my parents didn't know how. They didn't know how to invest in the stock market, so they couldn't teach him. I really don't want you to be that parent. I don't want you to not know how to invest in the stock market. I want you to understand how important it is to invest in the stock market, how important it is to share the knowledge with your family, with your children, with your spouse or whoever, and start to gain wealth. Start to gain wealth. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to do that. Start with a little bit. Start with a little bit of saving, and saving money, not placing it in a bank or a credit union. Just start saving money and putting it into the market and start building your wealth in that market. Another individual said the stock market is a lie. The stock market is going to crash and everyone is going to be broke. Another person said that they don't think they're smart enough to know. They don't think they have enough knowledge to learn the stock market. And this next individual said they don't invest in the stock market because it's not important. They don't invest in the stock market because their job invests in the stock market for them. Okay, this next one makes a lot of sense. Another person said they don't invest in the stock market because it's boring. All right, so I know you guys are ready for the ETF. Here you go. WilderHill Clean Energy Invesco with the ticker symbol of PBW. To sum it all up, this company is based on the Clean Energy Index. The funds will invest at least 90% of its total assets in common stocks. The index is composed of stocks of companies that are pretty much publicly traded in the U.S. and engaging in businesses, advancing cleaner energy, and funds are rebalanced quarterly. This is a global ETF giving exposure to several different countries. And here are some of its top holdings. You have NEO, Plug Power, Blink Charging, Candy Technologies Group, SunPower Corp, Bloom Energy, Sonova Energy International, Tesla, First Solar Incorporated, and so many more. This ETF is currently trading at $89 a share. Here's an update on the new math program. Unfortunately, we were unable to purchase a call of XLY in our Thinkorswim account due to technical difficulties, but we're able to continue our journey and deposit our funds of $500 into that account. And here it is on your screen. We definitely don't judge anyone's opinions. All we want to do is simply help. We want to show you how. And that's the reason why we asked all of those questions to these different individuals, so we can understand better on how to help people get started. And you guys, please stop believing rumors. Rumors will really get you nowhere. They will have you stuck in a shell and unable to move, unable to get out of that shell because they're afraid themselves. Not only are they afraid, but they're also afraid that you will make more than them. They're afraid that you will do better than them. So they try to convince you and encourage you to stay right where you are to better themselves. Stop. This is really up to you. You can keep working your job, your 9 to 5, and you can keep, maybe you're doing a great job at working, you know. Maybe you're doing a great job, you have this college degree and you're doing this and you're doing that. You can continue to do what you're doing. The extra that you have, the little bit that you save, the bonuses that you get, anything that you can give to yourself, do it. Set it aside. Invest it. Invest. Invest. Listen, invest. It's worth it. Go to work. On your break time, in your spare time, on your lunch break, get into that stock market. Pull out your phones and start to trade. Invest your wealth. Grow your wealth. I can't say it enough, but this is for you. It's not for me. I'm already doing it. This is for you. And I don't want you guys to believe that this is just an encouraging or a motivating video. It's not. I'm not trying to persuade you to get into the stock market, although I am at the same time, simply because it's beneficial to you. This may be your very key to help you make money, to help you gain wealth for yourself and your family and your friends. This is your key. I'm not making money off of this. I'm here to help you. Open your ears and listen. Trust me. Share this video. Get this word out. Don't sit on it. You're here for a reason. So do your part. Share, subscribe, like it, support us. Support us as we support you. Let's all grow this wealth together. I'm E'lla. Let's have a great day.